Okay, what's up, girl? What are your symptoms? Okay, we're gonna stop you right there. Cancer. Oh god, that's actually really not normal. Science is probably like what you're studying. And you just said you're interested, right? Okay, yeah, let's do it. Oh my god! Sounds to me like the flu. Okay, so stay hydrated, pop an aspirin, call a priest. Oh my god, no, in the medical field, that's what we call a tummy ache. Yeah, I know. And you're peeing how much? Yeah, that's not normal. That's not normal. Oh, you're right, it's probably spaghetti. Or a brain tumor. What? No, I didn't say anything. Huh? I'm not ridiculous. So if you like living, because by the time this sentence is done, you're dead. I'm hard. That's actually sometimes it's just heartburn. Relax, girl. Other times your arteries are clogged and you have seconds to live. Oh god, yeah, that's definitely. Random question, do you have burial arrangements already? No? Okay, maybe get on